What's up, traders? Welcome to another C space trading video. As always, I would like to welcome my subscribers. I definitely appreciate a follow along and a plug for my subscribers and new subscribers. Make sure you check out the new platform page I set up on Facebook, C Space Trading Community. All it is a great place to go and communicate with myself and other traders. We talk about strategies, stocks we're looking at. If you have any questions, it's just a good place to kind of bring us all together and just talk about what we're looking at. So check that out. There's a link to the page. It's actually in the description to this video. So scroll down, check out the social media area, and you'll see that link that will direct you straight to that page. All right, guys. I've got a new stock here I haven't been watching. I've been doing some scans all weekend, and this one actually came up because we're at the bottom of the channel, and it has had a strong push up since kind of hitting the 200-day moving average down here, which is this white line, and it actually dipped a little below that. However, the last couple days you've seen it kind of push through that 200 and plus push through the bottom of this channel that I've drawn that you see here. So if you scroll out a little bit, you've seen it was kind of bumping on top of this channel late last year. Then it kind of collapsed, hit the 200 moving, and then it's been kind of choppy but in an uptrend ever since. And ever since the end of July, this thing's fallen off pretty hard. But here we're now at the bottom of this channel, and it seemed to have kind of consolidated a little bit, and we're starting to get some strong movements back north. So I just wanted to point this one out and take a deeper look with you guys, because it may be a potential good swing here. Once we maybe even when it pulls back some, if it does, getting in back along this line to ride it back up. So let's look at the weekly. The weekly is what kind of is a telltale sign of a good reversal. Is you had this, this strong push down here, and then the volume was up here, and the volume stayed up above average, and then you had continuous good volume headed back north. We had this engulfing candle here that engulfs both of those candles and goes back up here, close to the top of this one. So I'm going to keep an eye on ATVI, as this one may be a really good chance to ride it back up to 85 or in this area, but I wouldn't mind seeing it come back down and touch this line and then run back up. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on ATVI. Let's look at the hourly and see what it kind of. Alright, so if you see here on Friday, it gapped up and it really never slowed down until it really got around this 200 hourly moving average here. It consolidated and actually popped out of it in the last hour with strong volume. So that gives me a very good signal that a lot of buyers definitely jumped in that last hour and even the last 15 minutes. So you had this pole run up here, and then you had this bear or bull flag, as you see on the 15 minutes. This is more short term. However, I like to look at every interval as I can to get as much out of it. So you see this flag that was developing here off this pole. And then it popped that in the last 15 minutes. So I don't like doing this over the weekend. However, if things hold true, you can expect this thing to have a real good run on Monday. But that's way too relaxed. I don't like doing this analysis overnight. This would be more of an intraday setup. But I just wanted to point out how this flag setup would have worked on ATVI. How if it would have happened a little earlier, but still a good looking chart as far as the reversal. Definitely looks like it has happened. You see this area here between 75 and 72. I would imagine this thing may get around 75 and then pull back to the 72 mark or so. That might be where I get my in, but I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see where it goes. So if you got any questions, go ahead and comment in the section below. If you want to follow along with this stock, go ahead and subscribe, as I plan on checking it out daily, at least do a couple of these a week. And if you like the video, click the like. Alright guys, I appreciate the viewing, and I'll check you guys later.